Nothing can ever stop us from learning. With courses that are constantly evolving to mirror what's happening in industry, you can be sure that what you're learning will never be run-of-the-mill.
Whether your plan is to land your dream job, go to university, or even start your own business, no matter what's driving you, our range of qualifications are a great starting point.
So whether it's a traditional engineering course or one of our industry-leading cyber computing courses, wherever your future lies, we'll help you write your own script.
And with the campus-based learning experience that gives you the freedom to be yourself, we'll know you'll quickly find your rhythm.
Plus, with personalised support around everything from finance to careers advice, everything's in place to prepare you for life's next stage.
From construction and motor vehicle workshops, the recording studios and cyber suites, our Gloucester campus has everything you'll need to start the journey to your dream career. The only thing missing is you.